Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing. And today I have this Silvercrest handheld steam cleaner. Produces a powerful jet of steam for deep clean. Cleans, disinfects and degreases. Uses no chemical or cleaning agents. Thorough cleaning eliminates 99.99% of household bacterial. It is chemical free. Thorough dirt removal even in a hard to reach area. For all steam resistant surfaces such as glass, ceramic, masonry, metal, enamel, for shiny taps, basins, mirrors, tiles and rims, and for refreshing upholstery and textiles. With a 4 meters of cable, heat up time 3 minutes, 2.8 to 3.5 bars it is the steam pressure, with a 250 ml container and 3 years warranty. And more we're gonna find out together as I'm opening this box, find out more about this product and how we can use it. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. So many accessories. With a long power cord, definitely is very helpful. That 4 meters, as I said. Now let's see one by one. The device, steam outlet. Here you can connect all the accessories included at the box. Water inlet and water tank. You can unscrew this safety valve and insert the water inside. It will help this funnel with this measuring cup, and it says maximum 250 ml. Rubber at the valve. Be careful because the pressure, it is dangerous. If the device is working, don't try to unscrew this valve. With a child safety lock, press and locks the steam trigger. Press and lock. Nice. The power indicator red and the steam indicator green. Nice construction, I like it. With one hand you can use it, very easy. And at the steam outlet you can connect all these accessories. You can connect the round brass directly here. Just press and that was all. The angle nozzle, the puller, you can connect this at the puller, locks, this is for cleaning any glass surface, and you can connect it here, just press and rotate and it locks. If you want to connect it directly at the unit. Or you can connect this extension nozzle. Goes here. And then you can connect the other accessories. It has rubber around, definitely. It is very secure, it will not move around when you are working. And of course, we've got this extension hose. Remove that, connect the extension hose, rotate and lock, and here you can connect other accessories, wherever you want. It depends how you want to work. And you can connect them that. Rotate and locks. And you can work very easy. Nice. So many combinations how you want to use this handheld steamer. And of course we've gotten this cotton cover. you can use it, unlock the upholstery nozzle, remove that, and you can install that here. And you can use it with a cotton cover. Well, let's fill up with water and start using this cleaner. Use the ionized water, 250 ml the maximum. Perfect. Now let's power it on. Red light is on. Let's wait about 3 minutes for the heating up time. And we can hear and the water inside is boiling. Green light, it is on. Let's connect in this extension. And just pressing. And you can clean any tile joint. Without chemicals, just from the power of the steam. Or you can use this brass. And definitely it helps a lot cleaning better with a brass. Or you can clean at your sink. Oh, steam is off, that means we need to refill water. But to do that we need to unplug it from the power, press the trigger to remove any unnecessary steam. The pressure will go lower, and then you have the opportunity to remove the valve. Deionize it water again. Wait until it will heat up again, and now I will use this angled nozzle. It's starting. Green light. Nice and clean, I like it. And again, you can use the brass, finish the cleaning. Nice job. I like it. Same you can clean in here. Removing any dirt and salt. You can clean any joints if you want from your bathroom using this extension hose, and this angled nozzle. And of course you can use it and with a brush. Definitely you can use it in many areas around the home. Nice job! You can clean any glass surface. You can install this white cotton with hot steam, clean all the glass, and then attach this at the front and remove any unnecessary water. Nice job! Clean it very well. And you can even clean your oven. Maybe the front panel, the glass. And remove any unnecessary stains. Oh, so much dirt. Definitely is doing a good job. And of course you can clean your couch with this cotton fabric. And with the power of the steam. But not only your sofa, you can clean in your car. With so many accessories at the box, you can clean with the steam all your car. Removing any dirt from the seats, around the seats, between the seats. Pressing up your sofa. Only with the power of the steam, without detergent, without chemicals. My sofa is clean. Well guys, that was all about this handheld steam cleaner. Clean all your areas at your home, at your car, wherever you want, at any time, without detergent, without chemicals, only with the power of the steam. And as you can see on my video, definitely it's doing very good job cleaning at my sink, at my bathroom, at the tile joints, wherever you want, at the glass surfaces, at my oven, removing any dirt. It cost only 25 euros and I think the price is very good for the things that it can do. This is the newest model. I have made a video, and for the oldest model you can check in the end of this video right in the corner or down below in the description. I think this newest model is performing better compared with the oldest, and I'm sure you will enjoy cleaning your home with the power of the steam. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.